I see them in the dust, the footprints of my ancestors, where the earth still remembers the stride of the ancient warrior. The buffalo move like black clouds in the distance, freedom etched into the heart of every mountain. The falcon circles high, he guards our sky, watching every path where the old spirits lie. The does in the forest, silent as a dream, ancient times are flowing like a sacred stream. For I hear the gallop of horses through the night. Oh hey, I feel the ancient warrior might. The plains are singing, the sacred fires burn. To the house of the sun we shall return. Scent of the sage, whisper of the wind in my hair. Every breath leads me to the ancestors' way.